Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We wanted to show you an awesome 7x20 off-road trailer that we just got on the ground yesterday. This has 20 feet of garage space in it. So these are set up so you guys can camp in here, haul in here, and really get off-road and have some fun. This one is in a 040 exterior skin. It's called metallic platinum. It's a gorgeous color. It's a silvery, beautiful color, and it does have the blackout package on it. So you've got the black diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and your big corner wrap. Extended tongue, you have a generator platform with a generator box, so great storage right there, plus a side swivel jack and a removable front coupler. Side door does have the RV lock and cam bar, plus you have a step off of it. These units run with about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. They do sit up quite tall, so that step makes it a lot easier to get in and out. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles. That torsion axle is going to give you an independent suspension under the trailer, so it's going to ride better, tow better, four-wheel better for you. And then you've got 32-inch Mudterrain tires on here with a black American racing wheel. This exterior box is an exterior GFI outlet. Party lights off the side as well. And again, aluminum roof rack with ladder for some additional storage space. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. This one also has the rear deck option on it, or of course you've got a ramp so you can load and unload your toys in and out of here. 7-foot interior height, so we built this tall enough for pretty much most of the RZRs, UTVs, and side-by-sides out there. You also have load lights off the back. And then we've got insulated walls and ceiling with this unit. Performance Nudo floor with dry max. So we've got one of the best durable floors that we can stick in a trailer in these units, so it's set up to last. And then this one's got 4 of the 18x44 slider windows with screens. So a lot of light in here. This trailer feels great inside. And then we're going to talk about lighting and wiring. So you've got 6 of these LED puck lights, 3 on each side. And these 6 little lights, plus the party lights off the side, plus your spotlights here off the back, are all going to run right here off of this battery. So I love this setup because it allows you to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer without having to have a generator on or be plugged into your vehicle. So you can, again, have light when you pull into the campground and not have to fire up your generator at 11 o'clock and wake everyone up. So then we also have 30 amp service. You guys can take this cord, it's a nice long cord, pop it through the floor, go right to your generator that you put on the tongue, and that's going to power up your 4 interior outlets. So you've got 3 right here in the front, another one in the back, plus you've got that great exterior GFI outlet for cooking or whatnot on the outside. It's also going to run your 4-foot LEDs. So there's, looks like 3 of these guys across the ceiling, which is awesome. You're going to have some really nice light inside of this trailer. Plus, it's also going to run the AC unit with a heat strip, which is this right here. So you do have the ability to heat and cool these trailers as well without the need of propane. Everything's going to be electric for you. Across the ceiling, there is a Maxx Air roof vent. So you've got just some additional ceiling ventilation there. And then, of course, switches for everything right here so you guys can control what lights you have on and how you want to use the interior of the trailer. 3-year factory warranty with these trailers, and again, set up to go off-road and have some fun. We are the exclusive home of the Colorado off-road trailer. We love these units. We've designed them and developed them and have really had a lot of fun selling them and using them ourselves. So we would love to earn your business if you're in the market. We ship, we have great reasonable shipping rates. We ship these trailers out literally every day all over the country, so don't be afraid of that. If you don't live near us, give us a call. We'll get you a quote to ship this unit right to your door. You can reach us at 303-688-8485, and you can always go right online to coloradotrailersinc.com. We've got a buy it now button. We like to make purchasing trailers easy. You guys can purchase this unit online, and it's a very simple, easy process, or always feel free to give us a call and we'll walk you through that process as well. And be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post all of our new products there, our new inventory there, and some informational videos as well, so it can help you guys hopefully get some great information out of that as well.